You want to make sure that your business explodes as fast as possible with precision. It's all about making sure that your team knows where the bus is going. They need to know how the bus rides. They need to know what the bus looks like, what challenges the bus is going to face, and ultimately where it lands. Like, where's the final destination? What does that place look like? Now, when you create this type of environment and this type of like precision for your team, things really start to fall in line. So what we did to help really add clarity to where the bus is going for us is we got really well-defined core values, anti-values, mission statement, and vision statement. So our core values are all about what we stand for, the things that we matter for us and our culture. We also have anti-values, things that we do not tolerate or we don't want part of our business. But our mission statement's rock solid. Our mission statement is all about making sure we know what our mission is, our clients know what our mission is, so on and so forth. And we also have a great vision statement where we want to be the most trusted home service marketing agency in the country. Well, that takes time, but you know what? Because we all know where the bus is going, it's only a matter of time until we reach it. Remember, know where the bus is going, nail down your core values, mission statement, and vision statement.